Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you get the Gatekeeper's Curse cube in the Geometry Dash. So for step number 1, from the main menu, just tap on play button and scroll all the way down to the right past the main levels until you reach the screen that says coming soon. So tap on the very center of the floor to reveal a hidden door. So tap on the orange door to enter the Chamber of Time. So just to take note, you must have the master emblem from the secret shop to unlock this door. Step number 3 is you are now in the Chamber of Time, and then you will see a large stone face with a ring in its mouth. So, which is the Gatekeeper. So just tap on the orange text box in the center here and type the secret code hunger into the text box and press the button to confirm. So lastly is the Gatekeeper will accept the code and you will unlock the Gatekeeper's Curse achievement and the big mouth cube icon. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!